Hey there, today we are going to use interesting feature in a Google Sheet which is called parameters. So I have already connected my data with Google BigQuery Studio to my Google Sheets. So what do you mean by parameter? For example, this is my data. I have a student ID, name, class, and score. I wanted interested in the only the class 9 student. So to do that, I'm going to use a Google correction setting, and then in my where statement query, I'm going to write the where class equal to, if I write 9a, that's a manual thing. So we are going to use a create a parameter, add parameter, give the name of the parameter, and then use the cell referencing of the sheet 9a, press OK, add parameter. Then I'm going to grab this parameter and paste in my where statement. So if I'm run the query, connect it, go back to my sheet, and then I'm able to see the student of the class 9a student. So if I change the value here, let's say 10a, then go back here and refresh it. So you'll see I am able to see the 10A student. So this is how you can use a parameter in the actual query. I hope you like the video. Follow for more.